Remember, this is round 3. Yep, there's some turtles down there. Remember Virginia, the Virginia Beach one? Round 3.
And the fishes?
Yep.
Fishes, not fishes.
They had a bunch of turtles there. Treetop Trail. 13th of August, 2023. This will be out and be snow around.
What?
It comes out in February. All kinds of turtles. There's a horsey up there.
All by himself.
Yep.
Oh, there's a big turtle.
Right over there. Yep. Another one. Turtles and more turtles. He's up there all by himself. You can tell they're over there. The little one down there, Sue Ellen. Little one?
The little one.
Yep.
Tiny, tiny.
Yep. Come to the top of the surf. Yep. Yep. And down there. Bunch of. Yep. Yep. You can kind of tell. Yep. Yep. So obviously there's a lot of turtles. It's called this Turtle Lake. Turtle Pond.
Oh, can you feel it moving?
What?
Can you feel it shaking?
Yep. Yep, more, yep.
They were hidden.
Turtle Pond.
Well, I wonder what happened to the rain.
Well, they said late afternoon. So.
You said the circles, right?
Yep.
So it comes back where we started.
Correct. 1.25 miles. The highest walking trail. So.
I can't believe I paid $5 for this.
$5 for a can of water, but that's what it is. Call it, you plant, I mean, it's called, he was the gold, what?
That's the price.
That's the price.
Guess I should have brought a water bottle.
Yeah. Look at the taste of Minnesota. They finally dummied up after first day. Let people drink water, and people were almost dropping over. So.
What, you know what that's called? Stupidity. Stupidity.
The highest.
Yeah. What's the word?
Stupidity. Yep.
Couldn't get that big word out.
Land Lakes. The one thing about, regardless, there's a lot of walking here. A lot of walking. So, I'll walk around. But good as, after, obviously, after the pandemic, it's good to see families out. See people down there hanging out down there. Yep, Treetop Trail.
Like a little jungle gym.
Yep. Yep. Just like that. Remember that Eden Prairie Center where the kids were playing at? Remember that? How it was just, I mean, kids were on down there.
Oh, there's 2 sides.
Yeah. That little jungle gym right there. You can kind of see over there. Little walking area out over there. And you have other things over there. So it's very kid friendly, I think. Yeah. So you have a lot of camels over there. Very kid friendly. Well, get on the Amazing Race. You usually get a chance to do it. Yeah. Well, they have a little.
We'd have to brush up on the stick shift.
Yeah. Yep. Your little, what do they call, merry-go-round over there. Right over there. Got tigers. Yeah. Oh yeah. Woohoo.
Not.
So, that's a cool little walking area down over there. See, that's that jungle gym over there we were talking about over there. Kind of walk over here, see if you see any critters. So, her favorite animal.
I like camels. I like giraffes better.
Well, that one day when April was giving birth, and she was trolling on YouTube, and then people were like striking the channel because they was taking all attention away. Remember that? Because they were watching for April to have her baby, and she was watching on YouTube like a streamer non-stop, watching for April to drop her child. Did she die?
She did.
Yeah, she died.
She had another baby though.
Yeah.
But I always feel bad for the baby giraffe.
Down it comes.
Drops like 6 feet. Because they don't lay down to give birth, they
Yep.
stand up.
Kind of like a baby drops during a prom night.
Like rude awakening.
Yeah. Beautiful day in August down here at the zoo.
What time you were born, do you know?
I have no idea. Apple Valley. This thing goes, it's like I said, a mile and a quarter highest. Used to be a monorail. And they've been working on this for a while, but done a little more energy into the zoo.
Oh, I agree.
So people can come here and walk around. Wheelchair accessible, whatever, push your stroller around. And, you know, it's well worth it. Not too far off of 77 in Apple Valley. Got the camels over there. Why anybody's wearing sweatshirts, I don't understand. It's a beautiful day. Let's take a picture of the camels, as you can see. This thing cost. What? Want a picture of me?
With the camels, turn this way.
Gotta have a picture.
Wow.
There you go. So they obviously have the desert look over. You can kind of see down there a Jeep down there. Raiders Lost Archive. There they are. But yeah, it's kind of cool.
Camels.
Yep.
I'd ride one in a heartbeat.
Well, why don't you just have a few beers and jump over the gate and do it. Blame it on the alcohol or get some geef.
Every question is.
What? Yeah.
He's sitting there on his iPhone.
Are you serious?
Yeah, yeah.
What? Oh, camel rides. Right over there. He's all excited. Camel ride. What? How you ride it? Go down and pay for it. You can do that later. Right over there. She wants to ride a camel, you guys. It looks, how long of a line is it? There. Camel rides. $8 llama. Oh, there it is. Camel rides right there. That's a long ride. She wants to ride one. So, anyways.
Oh, it's a horse. It's like a horse.
Anyways, guys. Okay, we'll end this one right now. So. All right.